study worms, welcome back to my another video. In this video I will be showing random task completion checklist. So hope that if you will enjoy this video, and if you so please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel here and click on the bell icon and press on all. So first of all, I started this vlog by organizing my books because they were on my desk. So I thought of before I will shoot this study vlog on my study desk, but my mind got manipulated that what shall I do. Okay, so I started on my daily space. I take out all my materials. Our first step is to grab all materials. Second step is plan or write a to-do list, and we have to complete this 3 tasks, which are mathematics, VET and Shuddha. But in this video I have just showed mathematics, but still I think so that this is sufficient. Later on I will also show what I ate for breakfast and my break times and etc. For surely you will like this video, I know. This was my maths workbook completion clip, and this chapter is geometrical construction, which is about triangles, angle and line segment bisectors. As I told you that this is late night study vlog, but my brother was sleeping. Hence, I used a lamp, but later on I thought so I must sleep as my brother also. So the next day, I did my daily chores and routine everything, and once more started to complete my workbook. If I want to solve 4 questions, so I need to draw 8 figures, because the remaining 4 are rough figure which contains 1 mark. So it is important to make this rough figure. This is not taste, but still for your information. After completing mine, my 3 questions were difficult, and later on I tutored my brother. I was writing answer, he was telling me. I just told him how to answer the questions and he solved all. When I sit to study, Vaibhav also come with me, and sometimes he also study and sometimes he distract me. Later on I did my breakfast, which was sandwich. You can see how tempting it is. Yeah, it is American cuisine, but I also enjoy this sandwich, which is filled with a lot of veggies, sauces, and oh my god. I will show you the final look, and I enjoyed this. This was very good. I loved it. Delicious and ekats number. After having my breakfast, I continued that 3 difficult question. I thought that it was difficult, but when I conclude my notebook also to study, so I felt it easy. And later on I just watered all the plants. And here I end my vlog, because that's all for today's vlog. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Be productive. Do hard work for your goals, and you can do it. Bye.